Hey, it's Ponna. Listen up, I have some exciting news. I'm about to show you how you can get our latest video creator software for free, win $100 in cash prizes, and get access to bonuses worth thousands. You do not need to buy anything. Simply enter your name and email on this page to be entered into a lucky draw. We will be giving away 6 $100 in cash prizes, 20 all-inclusive free copies of our next generation game-changing video creator technology, and bonuses worth thousands. Mark your calendars. On April 13th, 2021, we are hosting a special live webinar where we are going to be unveiling our brand new video creator technology to the world. VideoCreator is like your encyclopedia for video creation, the one-stop shop and solution for all your video marketing needs. Create any type of video for any marketing goal in any topic or niche inside one dashboard. Creating professional animated videos like the Fortune 500 companies is now easy and effortless with 650 plus ready-to-use, conversion-tested video templates. This is the largest collection of video templates available in any one app. Anything you can imagine, you can now build with VideoCreator. Scroll stoppers, video mockups, product promos, e-commerce videos, motion tracking videos, explainer videos, animated videos, logo reveals, whiteboard videos, live action videos, 3D visual effects, hyper-realistic dynamic scenes, e-commerce videos, video ads, social media, and any other type of video that you can imagine from one dashboard. You have total control to customize everything. Change the colors, backgrounds, text, and images with ease using our neat and intuitive dashboard. Replace multiple video apps and create unlimited videos for a low one-time price with no monthly fees and no restrictions. No other video app in the market comes loaded with all the latest technologies, and VideoCreator also includes cutting-edge technologies like motion tracking, logo mapping, scroll stoppers, neon videos, 3D visuals, live action videos specific to local businesses featuring real humans from various professions with photorealistic animations. There are hundreds of unique templates that will blow your competition away out of the water. Competing apps only allow you to create short videos up to 30 seconds long. With VideoCreator, you can also create long-length explainer and animated videos using professionally created, ready-to-use video templates. This is a must-have for every marketer and business owner, and you can even sell the videos that you create to maximize your revenues. In fact, we have a demo of this technology on the very next page, so be sure to sign up to watch it before the rest of the world gets to see this technology in action. Make sure you sign up on this page right now for the special live webinar that we are hosting on April 13th to lock in your spot to win one of 20 free copies of VideoCreator, 6 $100 in cash prizes, and bonuses worth thousands. Mark down the date and time now. With all the prizes that we are giving away, the chances of you winning are super high. Enter your name and email right now on this page to secure your spot now. Only 1,000 people can attend live, and we already have several thousands of people registered and ready to attend this exciting live event. This is Ponna. Thank you so much for checking this out, and I would like to talk to you very, very soon.